Hey, how's it going, YouTube? This is Donnie, and today I want to kind of walk around and show you guys our 2021 Toyota Highlander. This is a platinum trim with all-wheel drive and a few other goodies. So let's take a look around and see what you guys think about it. So this Highlander particularly came with Blizzard white pearl color. So as you can see, it looks really nice, especially when it's clean. Um, I mean, we already did receive a few compliments for this color. It just looks, I think it looks great. I mean, it's really, it's kind of a little hard to keep it clean, to be honest. But like I said, whenever it's clean, it looks gorgeous. So yeah, so our Highlander did come with towing package. So that's factory installed OEM towing package with a harness, electrical harness for your trailer lights and whatnot. And also it did come with bumper applique to protect the bumper sill for rear hatch. And on top, it did come with crossbars. And to be frank, actually, I wanted those features like the add-ons, so that's why we particularly were looking for this one. And I just recently put on the tints for front two doors, front windows. And this being platinum, it is riding on 20-inch wheels. Tire size are 235, 55, R20, and these are wrapped around with Eagle Touring Goodyear tires. These are, I believe, all season. So far we haven't had any complaints about it. I did include wheel locks recently myself. I just transferred from our previous Highlander that we had. And this, again, being platinum trim, it does come with 360-degree panoramic view camera system. So this is one of the cameras. It's got full cameras all around. And this is a pod light, like at night as you approach to a vehicle, those lights turn on, and then they also illuminate a Highlander name actually on the floor at night. It looks really nice. I'll probably make a video like a night walk around this Highlander at night, so you guys can see that light illumination. So continuing walking around. Our Highlander, I mean, I believe all Highlanders now do come with LED lights, like LED package when it comes to with lights. So the both high beams and low beams are LEDs as well as fog lights. However, your turn signal is still incandescent, so that's one thing to kind of keep in mind if you want to change it yourself later. So again, this being platinum trim, it does come with parking sensors up front as well as in the back, and it does have Toyota's TSS system, radar cruise system. Here's the front camera. I hope you guys can see it. So I'll show you guys other cameras. So here's another one right beneath this driver's side mirror, as well as pod lights. And then in the back, actually, I forgot to mention, it does come with two cameras actually. So here's one and here's another one. So this one is for your regular backup camera, whereas this one, this is a new cool feature that Toyota added to this Highlander. I'll show you guys once we walk, when I do the interior video of this Highlander. I'll show you guys what that camera actually does, and it's a cool feature. So in the back also parking sonar systems, as well as I wanted to show you guys another cool feature that I found out myself actually the other day. So here you can actually, by pressing this, you can actually open a trunk, but also there's another button right next to it, which is much smaller compared to this one. This actually locks and unlocks the vehicle. So if you just want to unlock or lock the vehicle from the back, That way you don't have to walk around and, you know, press the button on the door to lock it. You can actually lock the vehicle or unlock it, for instance. And on top, I want to show you guys it does have panoramic sunroof. It's quite large actually. It extends all the way to the back of a second row. And yeah, in the back. So one thing actually Toyota did not include with this generation Highlander is that this back hatch, the window actually on the rear hatch, does not open anymore. So in the previous Highlanders, you could actually open, you know, the rear windshield, actually the glass itself. You could actually open it separately without opening the whole lift gate. But now Toyota does not have, I mean Highlanders, newer Highlanders actually do not have it. So to demonstrate how to lock it, unlock it, so I'm pressing this small button next to this trunk release button. Actually, it's much smaller, and you can see by tail lights, it's locked, and it's there you go. I believe it's unlocked now. Let's see. Yep, there we go. So apparently, I'm sorry, a little correction. So you can only lock it, not unlock it. So there you go, it's locked now. But to unlock it, let's see if that works. Yeah. So you can only lock it. There you go. Now it's unlocked. But yeah, anyway, so this is the walk around for this video, exterior walk around. I think I included most of the things. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention. So this Highlander actually does have kick, you know, like a, you know, wave your foot, and then it opens the trunk. So I guess it's called like a kick open or something. So I'll just show you guys right now. So it does have the sign right here. So that's basically, I believe that's where the sensor is located. So if you would, when vehicle is locked, let's make sure it's locked actually. There you go, it's locked. So now we just wait, you know, a couple of seconds and then come around again. There you go. Now the tailgate opens. And to close it, you can either use this button right here, or you can close it from inside, or you can close with your key, or you can just do the same thing again and it will close the lift gate. There you go. And to compare to our previous Highlander, which was 2017, also platinum, however, that was a hybrid version. Nonetheless, it's still the same trim basically. That one actually had a much slower closing and opening lift gate. So this is much faster, which is pretty cool. So I believe this is it for the exterior walk around. I will make another video to show you guys the interior of it, which is, you know, which has a lot of cool new features, especially if you know, trying to compare the newer Highlander to older ones. And if you know, looking to purchase one of them, or you want to just upgrade it, you know, upgrade your Highlander, current Highlander to a newer one or whatnot, I'll make another video to show you guys the interior of it. But for now, this is the exterior walk around, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will try to make more interesting videos pertaining this particular Highlander. Also, I do have a Toyota Tacoma that I do make videos about that as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing those videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll catch you guys next time, and take care.